This is a functional toilet. This is a hand washing station with flowing water. There's nothing magical about it. But did you know that more than 150 million Nigerians do not have a combined access to piped water, functional toilet and hand washing facilities in their homes, schools and hospitals? Enormous challenge, right? You may wonder how these people get by. Well, they rely on unprotected sources of water and go behind buildings to ease themselves. The lack of essential water and sanitation facilities increases the spread of waterborne disease that has killed so many millions of Nigerians. You may ask what my deal is with water and sanitation. Well, I'm a water and environmental engineer, and I've been working on collaborative projects in Nigeria for almost a decade. Collaborative projects are projects implemented by a combination of many organizations addressing grand societal challenges that could have been otherwise difficult to address by one single organization. I have witnessed so many collaborative projects address societal challenges, and I've also seen the dark sides of some of these collaborative projects. I became intrigued about how leaders and change makers can capitalize on collaborative projects to target addressing grand societal challenges, not only limited to water and sanitation, but also other urgent ones like climate change, food security, and energy. I wanted to better understand how to design and implement collaborative projects through understanding the different roles organizations play in the collaboration, what facilitates collaboration between organizations and collaborative projects. And so 2 years ago, I went rogue. I left the engineering field by starting a PhD in social sciences in Sweden. As part of my research, I came across an interesting case study targeting to reduce water and sanitation challenges in a community called iWash. Over 2.5 years, 4 organizations in this collaborative project of iWash work with members of Sawa community in northern Nigeria to build water and sanitation facilities in their schools, hospitals, and communities. More than 50,000 lives were impacted. As part of my fieldwork this year, I traveled to Sawa community and had one-on-one conversations with representatives of the 4 organizations that implemented iWash. I also had group discussions with members of Sawa community. We discussed what their lives were before the provision of these water and sanitation facilities and how their lives have evolved after they started enjoying access to these facilities. To conclude, I would like to leave you with these 3 points to remember about my research on collaborative projects that address grand societal challenges. 1. Societal challenges are enormous, complex, and therefore require urgent solutions that necessitate collaboration between organizations. 2. Collaborative projects are not silver bullets. They have dark sides. Unintended negative consequences arise in the communities they are implemented. And last but not least, I believe my research findings can inform and benefit organizational leaders, city administrators, and change makers in knowing how to better design and implement collaborative projects that address societal challenges without creating further problems in the communities that they are implemented in.